One of the questions I get asked a lot is why go into pageantry? And honestly, it is something that you do because you want to make a difference. I went into pageantry because I wanted a bigger platform to talk about the need for social emotional support in Haiti for girls, for boys, for men, for everyone. And the pageant allowed me to have that kind of platform where I can speak about this. Um, since then, I've been able to go to many different events to talk about, what I want to do for my country. I've been invited to many different places. People reach out to me on Facebook, on Instagram, and I've been having a really great time networking literally all over the world with people about and talking about the Haiti pageant and in my platform. It's really been an amazing opportunity, and I'm super thankful for Imani for allowing me to have this opportunity. For everyone that voted for me, honestly, like thank you so much for believing that I can make a difference.